Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am having a wonderful day. I'm here, my shoulder was driving me crazy. I am here with a new box, and this box unfortunately got delivered, but got delivered to the wrong house. Thankfully, the neighbor brought it over. I don't know, it's been like 2 days. I feel so bad that this happened, but it is here now and I can do this review for you guys. This new box is called Makeup and the Tomboy. This is stunning makeup products right to your doorstep each month, and it's always free shipping, which is a plus for me because sometimes shipping just hurts the pocket. So there are two different boxes that you can choose from, and the first one is just a little bit, and it says sometimes you just want a little something, and this is the subscription for you. 1 to 2 items each month will be delivered right to you or your gift recipient. And then it is quality eye, face, and lip makeup, nail products, and more special surprises once in a while too. And then they have one that's called the Stash Box. And this one is each month a themed collection of 3 to 5 awesome products will come right to you. Products will include an assortment of makeup, bath and body fragrance, jewelry, and surprise items. Makes a great gift for that person who loves their beauty products. And I forgot to tell you how much, just a little bit. The first box is $11.99. Now that is not too bad of a price for 1 to 2 items. Not too bad. And then you have the Stash Box, which is $27 a month, free shipping for 3 to 5 items. So we are going to open this up, and it came like this. This is how it comes. It's a little tiny package, so I can understand why it would, get lost. And let's see, where do we open? Aha. I'm probably going to need scissors. We shall see. Alrighty now. Yeah, we are going to need some scissors, my friends. Oh wait, I might have gotten it open. I'm thinking that I might have. This is normally why you'll find that I cut them open before I start my video, because I don't like to hold you guys up for your day. You might have something else you need to be doing instead of watching me struggling opening up this bag. Come on, I got it all over me. All right, now open right now. Thank you. Okay, so when I open it, there is it's got some stuff in there. I'm going to pull the whole bag out. Oh, this is very cute. Come on now, open up. Thank you. All right, we'll just put the package over there. Let's see here. It says October's collection supports the fight against breast cancer. The items purchased automatically give donations via the Breast Cancer Crusade. And that is the little card that was sent to me. And we are going to open this one first, and it says Prima on it, and it is perfume. A girl does love perfume now. Yes, she does. Oh, I like the packaging. That's really pretty. I'm not sure that you can see that. There we go. That looks very pretty. Let's see how it smells. Very pretty. I like that. That is very pretty. I like the smell of that. I was trying to see if it tells me the scents. A dramatic blend of elegant plum, introducing rose and intense white patchouli. So that's what's in here. Elegant plum, Rose and Intense Patchouli. I do like that. That is very cute. Nice package. And then we have this here, Life Changing Lipstick. You can never have too much lipstick. That is a cute little package. I do like that little package. And then there's some things inside. And let's see here. Oh, gotta be careful with that silica. You don't want your dog to get that. And what was inside is lipstick. And it is in the color, oh my goodness, I can't see it. Let's just open it and see what color it is. Let's see here. Come on now. These plastic wraps are sometimes do not like to cooperate with me, but that one was easy. Get this open. There, and here is the nice package. Nice black package. Oh. Oh, oh, I love that color. Look at that color. I do like that color. Ooh, let's see. Very pretty blush color. I love that color. That is a beautiful color. Nice, nice color. Okay, and you do get this free little pouch, and it does have the breast cancer ribbon on it. Nice little package. I like that. And then we have one more item, and it should be jewelry. Let's see what's in here. Oh, oh, that is so pretty. This is what I see when I open it. That's beautiful. I'm gonna give that to my mom. That's beautiful. There is, oh, I'm covering up that, sorry. That is very pretty. I'm gonna give that to my mother. She will love that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Just gorgeous. So that is the just a little bit box. Just making sure everything is out of there. Okay, yep, it is. All right. So that is what I got in my makeup and the Tomboy box. What did you guys think of this? It's just a little bit, but just enough to get every month. If you're not comfortable with makeup, you can get just a little and try out a little each time. I think that that's a genius idea. I do love this. And that personal touch with the pin and this, that is awesome. I like this. This would be perfect for, like I said, somebody that isn't comfortable with makeup. I think that it would be a perfect gift idea. And the price, $11.99 for those 3 items, I think is a fair price. I really think that it's a fair price and free shipping. So, you know, $12 a month, not bad. And I would love to see what the stash box is about. That I think would be an excellent box in the free shipping. So it's a flat $27 a month. Just awesome. But if you'd like to check out Makeup in the Tomboy, I will leave a link below so that you can go down there, click on the link, go over to Crate Joy and check them out. If I have a code for you, I will definitely put the code down in the description bar, because who doesn't love to save money, right? But if not, you can go check them out and see. Maybe you might like to try this. I think it's an awesome idea. And to go from, you know, I am fumbling for words again today. I love the name of this box, Makeup in the Tomboy, because as a younger teenage girl, I was a tomboy. Now I love makeup, so I guess it's a perfect fit for me, and I'm sure for a lot of women out there, this will be a perfect match for them, because you can get a little or you can get a lot. And I think I would love to try the stash box. So that is it, my friends. I hope that you will give Makeup in the Tomboy at least a little look and go on Cratejoy and see what they're about. I will see you in my next video real soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you're out there, and another short and sweet video for you. Okay guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Bye now.